Welcome back to another Mega Machine Action episode. Today we're taking you straight to the heart of Sotiriadis Mining Works, where raw power meets precision, and it's all captured in stunning drone footage. The star of the show, the mighty Caterpillar 6015B Excavator, performing an unbelievable two-pass loading of massive dump trucks. This operation is a pure display of modern mining efficiency, teamwork, and mechanical dominance that defines what real heavy-duty engineering looks like. As the drone camera soars over the rugged mining landscape, the CAT 6015B stands tall, a true giant among machines. Its massive boom and oversized bucket glisten under the sunlight, ready to take on tons of earth in a single scoop. Powered by a CAT C27 ACERT engine generating nearly 813 horsepower, this beast is built for high production loading. What's jaw-dropping is how efficiently it works. With just 2 full passes, each truck is completely loaded and ready to roll out. Every bucketful weighs close to 14 cubic meters, and watching it fill those heavy-duty trucks so effortlessly is nothing short of mesmerizing. The trucks in this operation are no less impressive. These massive haulers, designed for extreme-duty mining conditions, handle every load with confidence. You can feel the ground tremble as the 6015B swings its bucket and empties another mountain of overburden into the truck bed. The coordination between the excavator operator and the truck drivers is flawless. Each movement is perfectly timed, ensuring zero downtime and maximum productivity. It's the kind of synergy that defines a well-managed mining site like Sotiriadis Mining Works. When it comes to real-world performance, the Caterpillar 6015B sets the benchmark. With its advanced hydraulics, optimized fuel efficiency, and smooth operator control, it delivers consistent, powerful cycles. The cab offers crystal-clear visibility, intuitive controls, and vibration isolation, allowing the operator to handle such massive tasks with precision and comfort. This combination of comfort and control means better focus, greater accuracy, and longer working hours without fatigue, essential for mining operations running around the clock. What makes this particular shoot even more special is the drone view. From above, you get a breathtaking perspective of the entire operation. The scale of the mine, the movement of trucks, and the sheer power of the excavator at work. The bird's eye view highlights just how organized and disciplined these work sites are. Every truck position, every swing of the arm, and every load cycle is executed with purpose. It's not just about moving dirt. It's about doing it smart, safe, and fast. The Sotiriadis Mining Works team clearly knows how to get the best out of their machines. With perfect coordination, regular maintenance, and highly skilled operators, they've turned what could be a chaotic site into a symphony of motion and power. And the CAT 6015B is their ultimate instrument, combining raw strength with unmatched precision. In the end, what you're watching here is more than just heavy equipment at work. It's engineering perfection in motion. Every scoop, every swing, every truckload represents hours of planning, expertise, and a commitment to excellence. The Caterpillar 6015B Excavator doesn't just move material, it moves the industry forward, setting a standard for speed, reliability, and performance in modern mining. So if you're passionate about earth moving, heavy machinery, and industrial power, this two-pass loading action at Sotiriadis Mining Works is something you can't miss. Hit that like button, subscribe for more jaw-dropping machine footage, and stay tuned for the next mega earth-moving operation coming soon. If you love watching raw power, perfect teamwork, and machines that move mountains, this video is for you. Don't forget to like, share, and comment your thoughts below. Tell us which machine you want to see next. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more mega earth-moving operations coming your way soon.